Iris. So her name is Iris. It's a very good way to get acquainted with your cards and with each fairy. And these are the things that you need for your magic spells. So basically, you need candles, you need gemstones like the crystals, and then herbs and spices, essential oil. Yeah, basically that's it. And then in every, let's say this is according to, oh there you go, abundance is ruled by buttercup, so this is buttercup. Okay, so let's say if I don't know which card, where to find this buttercup card, I will always come to my list, and it's a card of abundance. So it's card 26, buttercup. 26 is green, so I'll look for green here. It should be here somewhere. Let's see. Wish, communication, enthusiasm, meditation. See, abundance. Here we go. Here we go, abundance. Yes. So for example, for this card here, let's see that. Sorry, I have a little bit of a runny nose. Abundance is, these are the spells that you can do. You need quartz crystal or an image. So for every card there'll be at least 3 spells. You need green candle in the safe candle holder or the sun, green candle or green pen or marker, or this is simply a chant. From the moon's beam and from the sun's ray, may abundance light up my life today. From the sparkling stars enchanted with grace, may abundance glow and illuminate. There we go. There's your abundance card. I've already had it for about a week, and I kept it near on my bedside when I sleep and took it to work the other day. Kept it in my bag the whole time. Yeah, so let's do. It's sort of like a ice breaking session with the deck when we do an interview. So we get to know our strengths and their strength, its strength, the deck's strength. Alright, this will be a 6-card spread that I will be doing. Oops. Okay, let's take that as the first. This is about okay, let's get all the cards out first before I go further on what each card represents. Reversal. Third. Whoops. 4. Need more space there. One more. There we go. Okay, so the first card is tell me about yourself. So this card is a beautiful deck. Yes, indeed it is. I mean, this deck is a beautiful one. I agree. When beauty is felt from within, your gorgeousness will glow. Yes, it does. A gorgeous deck. And the second one will be your strength as a deck. Wish. A wish motivates the heart's desire, keeping hope and faith alive. Wow. So that's the strength. And you can wish upon anything, because this deck actually comes with a book of spells. So this is an oracle deck. Everything is written here. So that book is the, what do you call that? The correlating spells for each card. So we shall take a look at it later. So if you have something to manifest, that's why its strength is the book of spell that helps you manifest the things that you want in life. Next, the third card is your limits as a deck. So nurture the needs, the seeds of patience, and reap the rewards of personal achievement. So the limitations is that this deck lacks patience. I think that would be telling us that we shouldn't ask the same questions over and over again, because I know that some people do whenever they don't get a very absolute answer from the deck. They go over the same questions until they do. So this card is telling us that they have no patience. Okay. What are you here to teach me? Cleansing. Energy cleansing creates a healthy and harmonious space in which to thrive. Yes, so I usually don't do any saging after reading, because I don't do much of readings for others. I most of the time do very specific readings. But anyway, yes, I need to learn about cleansing. Thank you, deck. This one, luck. How can I best collaborate with the deck? With a clear direction for what you want to achieve, you're summoning energies that bring good luck. So you have to be very clear with what you want in order to get the deck to work well together with you. Yes, I usually set my intentions very clear before I do any spreads or any reading. The last card would be the potential outcome of the relationship. Protection. Oh, I love this. Create sacred space. I'm sorry, guys. Neighbors are banging the doors again. I don't know why. There are just people who are very inconsiderate at times. But we can't control others, so we control ourselves and our thoughts. Create sacred space to keep uninvited energy out. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. I need protection from all those toxic energies, like the ones that my neighbor has. Very toxic indeed. And it's here to offer protection. I am so glad that I have this deck. So there we go. This is the very brief interview spread with my deck, and I'm so glad and happy to have found this deck, to come across it, and now to have it as an advisor. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. The link for this deck would be in the description box, so do check it out if you are also interested. Alright? Okay, I'll see you the next time with another deck review, or I'll see you in your moon moon series, moon playlist series. Alright,